Okay, I'm starting now. English.
This is a tree that is very well decorated. Wait, we got to get the stars here. Okay. And then let's start with the wife. The wife was very unhappy because she had double D's and she wanted triple F's. She was cheating. And then she was also a ninja, so she had to practice on one of her four kids, so she killed her kid. Yeah. And then she finally found out that she was cheating and she couldn't live with the guilt. So
Guilt? That's not guilt, that's broken dreams.
Oh yeah,
and shattered hopes.
Oh yeah. This is a broken dreams and shattered hopes area. All the love is gone. Anyways, coming back to the evil bitch of a wife, she has ninja stars. And she goes, follow my finger, follow my finger. She went and killed the husband right in the heart. See the ninja star in the heart? See? Can we get a zoom on that? Actually, it's going on YouTube. So then, once the daddy was dead, the kid shot himself out the window.
And then the window fell
and then the
cut
window
him.
fell and cut him, and this is all the blood stain. But the marbles in front of the door remained intact. Anyways, moving along, the other kid, Becky, she was really depressed, so she hung herself with this nice yellow ribbon because that's cool. And Paul, he's a jumper, but he didn't forget to wear his blue scarf. That's actually gum that I chewed. And last but not least, there's Roger. He was the ugly duckling. He never made it because
He got trampled by all the broken...
dreams and stars and like it was a booby trap. And he got owned. You got owned. So all the 5 kids are dead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the mommy still has her boobs, but as you can see, like a normal girl, the right one's always bigger than the left one. And she still had time to make her hair. It's very beautiful. And do you guys, if we could just zoom on the vagina, that's perfect. It's a reverse heart. And yeah, that's about it. It's the ho 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 Christmas of the gingerbread family.